First you want to start with braiding your hair down. Then you want to take your crochet needle, slide it through your braid, hook your crochet hair, close the latch, pull it through. You're going to take your braid and you're going to put the braid through the loop. After you do that, you're going to take the braid and you're going to put it with half of the hair. Then you're going to wrap. I say you wrap like 3 to 4 times at the base, just so it can be secure. But as you're continuing to wrap afterwards, you want to still wrap it tightly, because the crochet hair, it is kind of like silky or whatever. But then once you wrap a good 10 times or so, you're going to start wrapping loosely. You're going to wrap loosely and it's going to give you that butterfly effect. If you like that blunt cut like I do, then you will want to take the ones in the back to keep track, so all of it could be one length or the desired length that you want it to be. When you get that desired length, you want to take all of it at the bottom and you want to flip it up and start wrapping upwards. And you still want to continue to wrap loosely. When you get to the point where you only have like an inch and a half of hair left, you want to take it and you want to tie a knot. That'll help secure the twist, the lock from coming down. Then you want to give it a good palm roll, and you see how it's thick at the bottom? I like that. Yeah, I don't know what was going on with this lock right here. Well, yes, I do. I didn't have it spread out enough, so make sure that you spread out the hair good enough. Make sure it's, you know, like more on the fluff side before you get to wrapping it around. I did go back and fix it, but I did it off camera. I just took another piece of the crochet hair and just re-wrapped it around what was already there. And for this style, I had about 51 locks. And I used 7 packs of waterwave, the freetress brand. And I used 2 strands per lock. You can find that hair at your local beauty supply store. You may be able to find it on Amazon if you don't have it in your beauty supply store. But it's more than likely that all beauty supply stores carry it. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment, especially if there's any other styles that you want to see me do, or if you just like what you see, give me your feedback.